Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I wanted to share some TrollBeads designs with all of you. TrollBeads recently released their spring collection called the Nurtured Connections collection, and it is such a gorgeous collection. So many beads on my wish list. And it's just amazing. Beautiful glass beads, beautiful silvers. But the very first thing I picked up from this release is a glass kit, and this glass kit contains 6 different glass beads. It's the smooth glass kit, and it is called the Harmony Garden Kit, and I designed a few different designs using beads from this particular kit, and that's what I want to share with all of you today. And the very first design that I want to share with all of you is this Foxdale bracelet design. Now, this one uses 3 of the glass beads from the Harmony Garden Kit, and this particular kit, it has some beautiful bright colors in it, and it's not just a spring kit. I feel it's not pastels, it's more deeper, richer colors. So I feel this kit really lends itself to, all year round wearing, and it's just beautiful. And so let's start from the clasp that I have on this bracelet. Now this one is from the Woodland bracelet set. That's the clasp that I have here. This came out a couple of years ago. It was a starter set, and it has these maple leaves on it, and I just love this one. It's a beautiful clasp, goes with so many different designs. Next to that, I have the first glass bead from the Harmony Garden Kit, and this is called Golden Willow. It is so beautiful. I love the colors in this, and yeah, I just love this one. Next to that, I have this tiny silver, and this is called Life Circle, and I love using these little silver beads to, kind of separate my glass beads just a tiny bit, but and not take attention away from the glass beads that I'm using. Next to the Life Circle bead, I have this beautiful Forest Mist bead. This one is a recent addition to my collection. I was able to get this one from a collector who was downsizing her collection, and this is so beautiful. I'm going to link the video where I hauled these beads, the Harmony Garden Kit, as well as the Forest Mist bead from the collector. I'm going to link those in the description box if you want to take a look at those. But yeah, this Forest Mist bead is beautiful with varying colors, and I just love this one. Next is another silver bead. This is the Hydrangea Silver. It's a smaller bead, not as small as the Life Circle, but still small. And again, very versatile, goes with so many designs, a very nice floral bead. Next, I have this Faceted Unique. This one I bought sometime last year. I'm forgetting exactly when, at an event, and again, love the colors in this. It's just, the browns and the yellows and the hint of blue in there, just really pretty. This one is the Munga Theory bead. This is the club bead for Australia and New Zealand for 23-24 year, I think. I don't know if they're going to come out with a new one this year, but this one released last year, and I was able to get this with the help of Pandora Fanatic here on YouTube, and also on Instagram. I think her name is Pandora Fanatic. I'm going to link her Instagram and her YouTube channel in the description box as well. But I really love this. It has this optical illusion going on in the bead itself. It is very pretty. Next, I have this silver bead, and this is one of the bigger silver beads, and this came out in spring last year, and this one is called Enchanting Dragonfly. And I love dragonflies. I love this one. It's kind of sitting on this long leaf, and which the leaf wraps around and forms the bead. It's beautiful, beautiful bead. This is another glass bead from the Harmony Garden Kit, and this one is called Seeds of Happiness, and I love the texture on it. It's a bumpy bead, and it has these beautiful colors on the base, the yellows, the blues, the oranges, hints of green and red. It's just stunning. A very beautiful bead. I love the bumpiness of it. Next is an older silver bead. This is the dragonfly bead. This is retired, and it's just pretty. It's a dragonfly kind of in motion. It looks like it's flapping its wings and sitting on a plant. That's the back of the bead. And yeah, I wanted to use my two dragonfly silvers together. This is another bead from the Harmony Garden Kit, and this one is called Seeds of Tomorrow. And again, love the colors in this: olive green, oranges, yellows. Again, it has these bumps on the top, not as bumpy as the Seeds of Happiness, but still, you know, tinier bumps on there. So yeah, different texture really gives it some, you know, more pizzazz, I feel. This glass bead is from last year's autumn collection, and this is called Wind of Memories. And again, love the blue base and the oranges and browns on top with the leaves. I feel all the blues really pull through, and I love the combination of the blues and the oranges. It's really pretty. Another tiny silver, retired. This is called Quiet Flower. This is my original Forest Mist bead that I was able to get from the store a few years ago. And this one you can see is very different from the other one. This one is more purple with hints of yellow. And yeah, this Forest Mist beads, they have so much variation in them. You can have 10 of them and they could all look very, very different. Then I have another Life Circle bead. And then this one, this is called Wings of Freedom, and this is from the Time to Fly bracelet set. Again, you have these oranges and blues in here, so that was the whole color palette that I went with the oranges, yellows, and blues, and I just love how this one turned out. This is the next design, and this is on a bangle. This is the star bangle, and it uses two of the beads from the Harmony Garden Kit. The first one is this one, and this is called the Secret Spring bead. It is beautiful blues and greens with a hint of yellow in there, and again, the tiny little bumps on top. I felt that this one, when I saw pictures of this, I knew it was going to look fantastic with this one, which is Mermaid Reflections from last year's summer collection. This one was a limited edition bead. Again, there was so much variation in this, and I was only able to pick up one, and it just sold out and was so hard to get after that. But I'm glad I was able to pick at least one of these, and so I feel these two look really nice together. The petals on the Mermaid Reflections are kind of like a lotus bead, whereas this one has petals you know, going opposite ways on both sides, but I really feel they complement each other with the colors and the petals, and so I really like that. Then I have two white pearls, and then in the center is the second bead from the Harmony Garden Kit on this design, and this one is called Blue Willow, and it has a light blue base with blue and green, some darker blue and green leaves, and it's beautiful. I really love how this one turned out. Very summery with the blues and the whites, but yeah, so that's the second design. And the last design that I want to share in today's video is this one, again on a star bangle, and this uses the last bead from the Harmony Garden Kit, which is in the center, and this is called Velvet Wings. And this is a butterfly glass bead, and it is so beautiful. It has a white base with this multicolored butterfly. You have green and yellow and red and blue and white in here. It's just beautiful. I love the colors on this, and I have just made kind of like a butterfly with this in the center using these lotus pendants. I think they're called the giant lotus pendants, and I've used those next to the velvet wings bead. And then I have these two Mamma Mia glass beads nestled in between the lotus beads. And the Mamma Mia, I feel, with the orange and the blues and the greens, really complements the velvet wings bead. And so, as I said, I love the bright colors that they have going on in this beautiful Harmony Garden kit. And I have so many beads still on my wish list from this Nurtured Connections release, and so this was my first purchase, and I'm really enjoying designing with these glass beads. Let me know if you picked up something from this collection, if you picked up this kit or any of these glass beads from this kit. I would love to know what caught your attention. And if you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.